Hi, my name is Dacia Mirabelle. I'm a Spanish teacher here at Notre Dame. I've been teaching at Notre Dame for the past 5 years. Since the first moment that I stepped into the halls of Notre Dame, I felt the sense of family. I felt like this is where I belong. The faculty, the staff, administration, the students, they all make you feel like you fit in here. It's just one big family. Everyone supports each other. Everyone is always there for each other. When I first came in, I started mid-year when I started my position as a Spanish teacher, and it was like a seamless transition. Before I started working here, I always heard about the Brotherhood of Notre Dame, but it's not until you truly work here, until you truly walk the halls and you're in the classrooms, that you really get a sense for the strong brotherhood that is here. From the staff to faculty, to the boys, to the maintenance, the kitchen, everybody. It goes beyond the classrooms, beyond the halls. The Notre Dame advantage is everything that I just mentioned and more. It's a sense of family. It's a sense of community. It's our sports programs. Hockey just won the state championship this year. Basketball won SEC championship, and they made it to the final game of states. Lacrosse made it to the state championship's final game. The Notre Dame advantage could be sports for one student, but it could be something different for another student. It could be that they're here for the theater club or to perform in our band, for one of our great signature programs, for our engineering program, our video production program, or maybe our sports medicine program. We have a lot to offer students here at Notre Dame. Here at Notre Dame, we are educating the hearts and minds of these young men. We are teaching them the character to lead, compassion to serve, and the confidence to excel. The sense of family that we have here at Notre Dame, the sense of community. If a student walks into my class, whether it's during my prep period or during community period, I'm there to help them. They know that we want them to succeed and that we all want the best for them. I've been the moderator for the Model UN Club since I started here 5 years ago. Since I've been here, we have attended the Yale Model United Nations, which is a 5-day conference. We attended Cornell, which is a 3-day conference. We have attended the UNH Notre Dame Men, which we also co-host with UNH. And we have also this past year attended a virtual Best Delegate Conference. The boys, I am so very proud of them in the club. They have won Best Delegate Awards. We have won Outstanding Delegates, Honorable Delegation Awards, Outstanding Country. Some of the boys have gotten awards for Best Speeches. They have all done an awesome job. They work hard and they get to network with other people when they attend the conferences. They get to use their 21st century skills. They get to communicate with other people. They get to meet new people as well. It's a great, great experience for them. And I'm very proud of the club, and I'm very proud of all the boys that have participated in it over all of the years. They come in as boys, but they leave as Notre Dame men. They have character. They have compassion, and they have confidence. And with those 3 traits, they will excel in anything that they do.